great lakefront home on a special lot in River Bend. Enjoy the long distant views, deep water and privacy. Nice open floor plan with large screen porch and great windows to enjoy the lake, fall colors and pristine water. The great room with fireplace, dining room and remodeled kitchen, all open up as one living area with custom cabinetry, stainless appliances and large counter eating area. Additional storage with pull-out drawers, wine rack and glass inlay doors. Hardwood floors throughout with separate master bedroom suite, added a few years ago. Large lower level has a full bath, large family room and 2 other separate rooms to sleep, office or den, and large storage garage completes the lower level. Multiple porches, open and covered patios, create lots of outdoor entertaining areas with fire pit and beautiful lake views. Enjoy great fishing and swimming in the no-wake zone off your max dock.